The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day Kansas, continuing here in Pleasant View at Stutzman's with Jason French. Jason, it's good to have you back on the show.
Hey, good to see you.
Yeah, beginning of September, it's time to start getting our lawns ready to go.
It is. That's when we're going to want to start seeding. You can do seeding or overseeding, but yeah, 1st of September through maybe mid-October, that's when we're kind of looking at doing that seeding.
Okay, and you have a lot of options here for people to do that.
We do. You know, most of the time in the fall, it's going to be your cool season grass like fescue that you're going to be seeding. And so for regular sun and shade areas, we have the 5-star blend. And that's a blend, and no matter what brand of seed you get, always get a blend.
Okay.
If you have just one kind and something bad happens, well, it takes all of the grass.
Oh,
so
wow.
if you have a blend, you're less likely to have major problems. So
Okay.
always get a blend. But
Yeah.
ours is a blend of the 5 top performing drought, color, mowing height, disease resistance, and then the last one's really important, ability to fill back in if you get a little damage. So
Yeah.
really great seed.
Yeah, and other than that too, you have plant food here for people as well.
Right, and when you're seeding, you use a new lawn starter. It's a little different than some of our other fertilizers, but have that in sizes for whether you're just seeding a little spot or if you're overseeding the whole lawn.
Yeah, it's great. Whether you said like you have full sun, full shade, or a little mix, you have everything. But we've been talking about mums on the show, and something that reminds me of a mum here is your asters, and they're great for fall as well.
They are. Asters are really one of my favorite fall plants. They're going to be grown and treated just like a mum, but in these really great, more pastel-y purple, kind of K-State-y purple color. So really popular also, and they bloom just a little bit earlier than the mum.
Okay, and so they come just in that purple color, but how big do they get?
Kind of like your mum's going to be probably 18 inches across and maybe 18-20 inches tall.
Yeah.
So nice early bloomer, and then a whole different color choice.
Yeah, it's so pretty. K-State purple, Good Day Kansas purple. We absolutely love it. How can people find more information about anything going on?
You know, the best way, if you have questions, drop me an email, and my email is the word questions@stutzmans.com.
Yeah, definitely. If you have any questions about seeding your lawn this fall, reach out to Jason. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you.
Yeah, more of Good Day Kansas coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's hard to believe that summer is winding down and the transition to fall begins at Stutzman's. Hi, this is Ben Miller. All this week, perennial hibiscus, summer hanging baskets, and patio planters are 50% off while supplies last. Our stores are transitioning to fall with pansies, flowering kale, asters, and a wonderful selection of mums starting at $4.99. Be sure and pick up some beautiful, funky, and traditional pumpkins, along with the traditional and miniature straw bales for fall decorations. Find out more at Stutzmans.com or on Facebook.